Good morning to one and all present here. I Talha Zaid with my co-host Mohammad Talaluddin, students of grade 10. We are the host for today. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to the alumni meet of the batch 2019-20.
The alumni meet is a much awaited day in any student's life as it returns the effort of their academic endeavor, and most importantly, it makes us work harder to build a successful career ahead. Hope we will give our 100% to make it more memorable and exciting.
Good morning to one and all present here. Firstly, I would like to thank Almighty for blessing us with this day. I would like to thank our world's best principal sir and HM ma'am, Mr. Bashir Ahmed sir and Mrs. Nanja Rosar ma'am for everything they gave us. They provided us with every facility. Providing with facilities to students is done by every school's principal. But providing with love, care and affection to each and every student who is a part of any public school makes our principal sir and HM ma'am unique. Now I would like to thank our beloved assistant headmistress ma'am, Mrs. Gulfam Iqbal ma'am for the care and support she always gave us. Whenever we faced a problem, she always stood beside us and helped us. We thank you for that. I have been a part of any public school since 11 years, and these years were one of the most best years of my life. I started my schooling in NAPS at Tipur. Our teachers, without whom we would never succeed. Talking about the first teacher of my school life and the teachers who were with us in the last years were backbone for us. You explained us, taught us every single lesson, not only from our syllabus, for our life. You played the role of a teacher, mother, friend, role model in our life. We are lucky to have you. We also remember the efforts made by our loving HM and principal sir in getting the best faculties for us. You never left us. You always held our hands at hours of need. You understood our problems and helped us to find solutions for it. You always looked after us as our parents. We have less words in expressing our gratitude towards you, but you always remain in our hearts. We commit a lot of mistakes, but you helped us to learn from every single mistake. You did not build a school, you built a family. Every single student and parent who is a part of any public school would be proud to be its part. A person who always inspired us, motivated us, gave us the love of a father throughout our school life. Our principal sir, we thank you sir for everything. You loved us as a mother, you cared us, held our hand at difficult times. There are many more things which can't be expressed through words. It is just a feeling we have for you. Our beloved and beautiful teacher. Thank you, ma'am. Family for everything. Our life would be incomplete without any public school. Thank you very much. We love you all. You will always remain in our hearts. Though we are part of different institutions now, we miss each and every single minute spent in any public school. We wish we would always be connected to every member of this family. I thank everyone on behalf of my classmates for everything.
स्कूल की यादें आता है याद मुझे दूसरा हुआ जमाना, वो टीचर्स का डांटना, वो मेरा भाग जाना, डंडे का सिर पे लगना, आता है याद दिल तक, वो मेरा जी चुराना, वो मेरा डर जाना। होती थी जब भी किताबें अलमारियों में रखे, है याद मुझे अपनी आंखों में आंसू आना। आजादियाँ कहाँ वो अपने बचपन की, अपनी खुशी से लिखना, अपनी खुशी से पढ़ना। लगता था डंडा जिस वक्त टीचर का मेरे सिर पर, वो मेरे आंसुओं पर दोस्तों का मुस्कुराना। कर कर के याद उसको, वो मेरे आंसुओं का आना, वो इफ्तार पार्टी और कॉम्पिटिशनों में हिस्सा लेना, बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लेके तोहफों का जीत जाना, वो लुम्नी गार्डन से लेकर ट्रिपल मंडला जाना, वो नर्सरी से लेकर SSLC पास होना। आता है याद मुझे गुजरा हुआ ज़माना। थैंक यू।
Good morning to one and all present here. It is indeed a great pleasure to present before you some experiences with the alumni of this institution. Not only it is a moment of happiness, but also an opportunity to reflect our learning and achievements. Here, the anxiety. These students have given their best and have come out with flying colors. I remember the day when SSLC exams were announced, the scheduling of the timetable right from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., the active participation of all our students in online revision classes. I think we teachers got our first experience of online classes with these students. We really appreciate the cooperation of parents as well as hard work of all the students. It was really a nightmare when the students went to write their exams. The anxiety of parents and teachers was never ending. The fear gripping us regarding the safety of the children was unimaginable. Anyhow, the worst is over, and as we say, all is well that ends well. Hard work and sincerity never fails us. We have now with us the 7 colors of our rainbow, which has made our institution colorful. My speech will be incomplete if I don't mention this. Dear students, we are all proud of you. May you gain remarkable success in all the endeavors of life. Amen. संघर्ष करने वालों को जरूर मिलता है, संघर्ष करने वालों को जरूर मिलता है, मेहनत का फल और समस्या का हल। Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Here, this is Miss Sufi Armin from grade 10. I am here to showcase the traits of the ex-10th standard students.
There are special moments and occasions in their lives. Today is one such day when we remember the past 1 year and all the good things that came along with it. First of all, let us congratulate all the 10th standard students for their excellent results.
Madhima Pudra is also awarded with a cash prize from the management side for scoring above 90. And a small token of love from my side for performing best in math. I request her to honor.
Thank you sir, thank you ma'am for honoring the student.
कोई आंखों में जो मीठे मीठे सपने क्या ये दिल करे, पहले पहले दिन की ये नई नई सुबह आओ चल करे, हमको चबाते जाए सबको बताते जाए अपनी हसरतें, यार मत भूले जगह है ये बड़ी कुल, सुनो सुनो जरा लेट मी से, भूलेंगे हमको नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी, स्कूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 ना।
दस्तखत कर दे, तू अब तलक था अधूरा होने ही वाला है पूरा, हद से गुजर जा तू हद कर दे, है चाह तो है रास्ता ये जान ले जरा, मुमकिन नहीं है क्या अगर तू
to close down all preschool classes in Bengaluru till the end of this month. The step has been taken as a precautionary measure since this age group is more vulnerable to coronavirus.
मन पंछी अब उड़ने को है, दीवाना दिल कुछ करने को है, बादलों पे रख के कदम आसमां को छू ले हम, खुद से है ये मुकाबला, दिल कहता है कुछ कर दिखा, कुछ कर दिखा, कुछ कर दिखा, कुछ कर दिखा, कुछ
Exam. Results.